When operating automated production machinery at high speeds, are you troubled by severe manufacturing issues like a ball screw linear module emitting a high-pitched metallic screech? This intense noise often stems from an improper slenderness ratio that triggers a critical resonance point, ball impacts within the return system, or high-temperature grease degradation causing dry friction. To address this operational pain point, Huandong Intelligence supplies a selection of advanced ball screw linear modules that microscopically match screw diameters and leads to help avoid critical resonance bands. These modules incorporate high-smoothness return structures and undergo precision dynamic balance calibration alongside dynamic sealing dustproof designs. This comprehensive structural configuration effectively helps maintain running noise below 65 decibels under standard operating conditions while reducing component wear. Contact our professional engineering team directly today to obtain your comprehensive product specifications and a complete quotation for your factory.